Okay, so we're about to see me hit my max speed. I'm pretty psyched. Let's clean off the lens here. I got 52 volts at the moment, if you can focus. And this long ass super smooth road, and we'll see just how crazy this is. I got my new motor in here with this 47 tooth sprocket. I literally cut the freaking bars out. Amazingly, it's still strong. And let's just go for this, man. This is crazy. I just GPS'd it. It went 28 miles an hour, so let's go. Full blast here. This is crazy. This is so nuts, bro. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Insane. Insane. It's so insane. I got it on film. So insane that this just dropped right the fuck out. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh, check it out. This is why it wasn't working, because this weld, that's hilarious. Oh, I love it. I love it, dude. Now I gotta try to get back to the house. So this literally just fell right out. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. So let's see here. The balls go up in here like that. Wow. Okay, I got to sort this out. But hey, all that extra welding there didn't do shit because it didn't actually weld onto the little thing coming out of here. So I'll just have to try to do a better job next time. Sweet.